Phil.
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, welcome back to my organization. Today I'm going to show you how to solve Camtasia 9 skin blinding problem. As you can see, if I take any project in here, the skin is blind, nothing is shown between the hair. I'll just show some videos here. I cannot see anything, as you can see. So how to solve this problem? So let's do it together. First of all, go to your edit option, edit menu, Camtasia 9 edit menu. Then preference at the last point, preference, and after that go to advanced on the right, and then hardware acceleration, click here in the drop down menu and select use software only mode here, and then click on OK, and after that close your application and again open it. Okay, as you can see, the problem is solved. Now try this one. Then let me check. Okay, as you can see, the problem is solved. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?